You buy a $50,000 evaluation and immediately start calculating what you'll do with the payout. Then you win your first trade. You increase your position size, take another trade that wasn't even part of the plan, and blow the account before you've even learned the rules. Now you're buying another evaluation and promising, this time I'm going to take it seriously. If that sounds familiar, you don't need another challenge. You need a system for passing the one you already have. And if you're tired of donating evaluation fees to prop firms, subscribe, because this is your step-by-step plan to finally stop resetting and start passing. Stop telling your girlfriend you have $50,000. You don't. If your maximum drawdown is $2,000, then psychologically you have a $2,000 account. That is the money you're protecting. Before placing a trade, write down your profit target, your daily loss limit, your maximum drawdown, and whether that drawdown is static or trailing, because discovering the rules after you break them is a very expensive lesson. Step 2. Calculate your risk. Next, choose one fixed risk amount. A simple starting point is risking around 5% of your available drawdown per trade. With $2,000 of drawdown, that's approximately $100. Now, 10 consecutive losses would hurt, but they wouldn't immediately destroy the account. Use the same risk when you're losing, winning, or one trade away from passing. Your position size should be based on your stop loss distance, not on how confident you feel. Confidence is not a risk management tool. Step 3. Create a daily stop. Now, create a personal daily limit that is smaller than the prop firm's limit. For example, 2 losing trades and you're finished. Not finished unless the next setup looks amazing. Finished. Because most evaluations aren't blown by the first 2 planned losses. They're blown by trades 3 through 12. Step 4. Stop trading the target. Your next job is painfully simple. Stack small, controlled days. Don't try to pass in one trade. Don't increase your size because you're close. And don't force a trade because yesterday was red. The profit target is not your daily assignment. Following your plan is. Know the rules, control your risk, respect your daily stop. Then repeat until you pass. Comment funded if you're taking your next evaluation seriously. And subscribe for the next 2-minute drill.